Hi Aquarius and welcome to your reading. This is your love update for the next 1 week. We will check your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, and your combined energy and the messages from the universe that you're supposed to hear about your relationship, about your love life the next week. Let's get into it. This is a timeless reading, तो आप जब भी देखोगे ये वीडियो आपसे रेजोनेट करेगी and एनर्जीज कैन गो वाइसा वर्सा. आपके पार्टनर की आपकी एनर्जी जो है वो मर्ज हो सकती है. यू कैन बी योर पार्टनर कैन बी यू. सो टेक इट हाउ दैट रेजोनेट्स एंड लीव द रेस्ट बिहाइंड. वन मोर थिंग, यूज योर ओन डिसर्नमेंट बिकॉज दीज आर general readings, so only take what resonates, leave the rest behind. And for more accuracy, you can connect with me for one-on-one sessions for personal readings, and the details for that are in the description box below. Without wasting any time, let's just begin with your reading and let's see what are your energies towards your partner so that you know that this reading is for you. बट आप आपके पार्टनर की भी एनर्जीज तक सुनना, तब आपको क्लैरिटी मिलेगी whether this reading is going to be for you or not. No. One card at a time, please. You have a lot to speak. मुझे ऐसा लगता है आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बॉटल अप करके रखी है and you have a lot to speak up about. You have a lot of things to say, tell, not to your partner but about your connection, about your partner, to the world, to the friends. आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बॉटल अप करके रखी है Aquarius, that's what I believe. And you could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, doesn't have to be. But overall, you are not a very emotional person, you are an intellectual person. So you won't get hurt and start crying. But if you get hurt, you will start expressing yourself. But आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें bottle up करके रखी है, and because of that, you might break down a lot these days. So which means you wanna cry, you feel like crying, and that can actually be a problem. So that's why the universe is saying that speak up. And the universe, and you want to cry, you want to express yourself. आप अकेले में रो रहे हो या फिर आप अकेले में you want to express yourself, but you're not getting that channel through which you can navigate and bring it out, right? Then we have the messenger of air here, page of swords की energy है ये, which talks about communication again. आपको बोलना है, आपको बहुत सारा बोलना है Aquarius. आपको बस बोलते ही रहना है, बट आप जब बोलने जाते हो आप रो देते हो बिकॉज आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बॉटल अप करके रखी है. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर एनर्जी फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक, या फिर यू आर करंटली गोइंग थ्रू दिस. You would want to speak a lot, you would want to speak a lot, but not to your partner. But आपको समझ भी नहीं आता है कि if I don't want to talk to my partner, then who should I talk to? You want to feel understood, you want to feel resonating. आपको ये feel करना है कि हाँ somebody gets me and I'm not alone into this, I'm not the only person feeling like this. You want to feel like that. Alright, let's see your partner's energy. What is the advice for Aquarius? Okay, let's see your partner's energy first, then I'll tell you what your advice is. What is Aquarius, their partner's energy towards them? My lovely Aquarius babies and their partner's energy. Okay, King of Swords, head over heart. Your partner is going to behave like you, very detached, very logical, and you're wondering why is my partner behaving like this, like they were never this person. आपके heavy, आपके chart में heavy water placements हो सकती है Aquarius, even though you are an Aquarius person, but you also have very strong water placements into your chart. Your partner is going to behave very strategically, your partner is going to talk to you very logically, head over heart. They are going to give you reasonings for everything, and if you're going and talking to your partner might say you're overreacting, or you're not, why are you thinking like this? And the problem is that your partner is not an asshole here. They don't want to be rude, but the only reason why your partner is behaving like this is because they've never seen you like this. उनको लगता है that you're a very strong person, you're a very this and that, and you know how to deal with your emotions and all of that stuff. I might believe that you know how to deal with your emotions, and this could be a temporary breakdown, and आपके partner इसलिए आपको pamper नहीं करना चाहते, console नहीं करेंगे, and they are giving you that logical explanation is because you are like this, and in their eyes this is what will help you, because whenever you deal with your life, or whenever what image you have in front of your partner is that you are a very logical person, या फिर जब आपके पार्टनर भी रोते हैं and they go through the breakdowns, आप उनको लॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशंस देते हो, तो इसलिए आपके पार्टनर को लगेगा कि दिस इज हाउ दे कैन कंसोल यू. बट आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस इमोशंस समझने की है, आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस खुद को अंडरस्टैंड करने की है, आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपके पार्टनर से अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, बट because your partner has always seen you logically dealing with things, they are going to give you the logical explanation. but ये चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा frustrate करेगी, ये चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा irritate करेगी, ये चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान करेगी, irritate करेगी, because it's like I don't want the logical explanations. I want you to understand me. I want you to console me. I want you to be there for me. I want you to give me the shoulder to cry, but your partner is not going to do that. And then we have the death. You might possibly think about ending this connection with your partner, because आपके पार्टनर आपको समझते नहीं हैं, आपके इमोशंस को समझते नहीं हैं, आपके इमोशनल कनेक्टिविटी को समझते नहीं हैं, ये आपको लग सकता है, बट दिस इज़ नॉट द रियलिटी. दैट्स व्हाट द यूनिवर्स वांट्स टू से. आपको आपके पार्टनर के सामने वो इमोशनल चैनल को ओपन करना पड़ेगा एक्वेरियस, ताकि आपके पार्टनर को समझे दैट यू आर ऑल्सो दिस इमोशनल पर्सन. अभी तक आप बस लॉजिकल इंसान थे आपके पार्टनर के सामने, and you're currently, and then you suddenly start crying and you're currently going through this emotional phase, but आपके पार्टनर को वो समझने के लिए टाइम लगेगा, ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा. I am not saying that you're wrong for expecting that emotional support from your partner, but then they don't know how to operate with this. So you might think about ending the connection, but the universe is saying that your partner is not a bad person. It's just that they don't know how to deal with this. They don't know how to deal with your emotional side, right? And you might also start planning and preparing about moving on and what else you should do and all of that stuff. Your plans are in motion and more opportunities are headed your way to maximize your total potential. You have the chance to expand your horizon through travel, study, and business. Reach beyond your comfort zone. Doors will open if you stop limiting yourself. आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आपके करियर में यू विल हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ट्रैवल, फॉर प्रमोशंस and so much more, so focus on that as well in the upcoming week. Now let's see what is your combined energy with your partner, you and your partner. What is the combined energy between the two of you? We have friendship. Okay, I'm going to take all of these. We have friendship. Don't make decision based on guilt or what you think you should do. For it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. आपको यूनिवर्स कहना चाहते हैं कि by accepting that you are sensitive person, you will be able to show your sensitivity to other people as well. But if you are telling yourself that you're strong enough and that you don't need other people, when in need, people might not be there with you because आपने वो साइड आपका दिखाया नहीं है लोगों को. So this is the time when it's like it can become a turning point in your life, Aquarius, wherein you decide that you be honest to at least one person in the room, which is your partner, and you tell them that you are an emotional person. You tell them that I do feel emotions too and I don't need logics all the time. I don't operate from logics all the time. And when you do so, आप आपके पार्टनर को आप आपके लाइफ में एक ऐसा डोर ओपन करोगे, एक ऐसा चैनल ओपन करोगे जो आपको इमोशनली अवेलेबिलिटी भी दिखाएगा, बट यू विल हैव टू डू इट. एंड आपको बोला जा रहा है यू डोंट हैव टू डिसमिस योर पार्टनर जस्ट बिकॉज दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड यू फर्स्ट टाइम, वन टाइम, बट यू विल हैव टू ऑल्सो एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट कि आपने भी उनको वो चांस नहीं दिया कभी आपको समझने का उस लेवल पे, उस डीपर लेवल पे जहाँ पे वो आपके लिए इमोशनली अवेलेबल रह पाए. तो आपको बोला जा रहा है कि you have created a very good connection with your partner of friendship, but this is also the time when you open up emotionally. It is not that your partner is wrong for not being there for you emotionally or not giving you emotional reasonings, या फिर आपके emotions को वो available नहीं है. It's not your partner's fault. It is your fault because you have never shown the world that you're also an emotional person. That's what the universe is saying currently, right? Now look inside yourself. Another message is look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you to feel this way. The universe is saying Ask yourself what is causing you to feel this way. And the combined energy of this week between you and your partner is a very good friendship. And nurture the bond of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. जैसे आप आपके दोस्तों को forgive कर दोगे for not understanding you once, the universe is saying be the friend of your partner as well. And nobody can force empathy onto you if you reject it continuously, Aquarius. That's what the universe wants to say. Now, coming back to the advice that is coming up for you is don't overprotect yourself. Protect yourself this time, and like console yourself this time, but from the next time, don't overprotect yourself by hiding who you truly are. Like I said, at least be honest to one person in the room, which is your partner. And I am not here to teach you a lesson. I'm not here to tell you what your mistakes are, but I'm here to guide you towards your higher potential. I am here to guide you towards the life and the lifestyle which will give you whatever you want in your life, which is everything that you desire, whether it's emotionally. My job is to just give you whatever you want, and if I see something is wrong, I'm going to guide you through the same. Right, that was it. Do let me know how this resonates with you emotionally, psychologically, and I hope this video resonates. I hope you love it. And if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below how this video resonates with you. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my other channels, link will be in the description box for everything. And I will see you guys in the next one. Sending you love and light.